Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lecture, we have to discuss solution of biquadratic equation ax power 4 plus bx power 2 plus c is equal to 0. This equation ax power 4 plus bx power 2 plus c is equal to 0 is called biquadratic equation. Biquadratic equation. And the degree of this equation will be 4. Now to solve this equation, we can write this equation in this form: ax power 2 whole power 2 plus bx power 2 plus c is equal to 0. Consider this is equation 1. Substitution for this equation will be y is equal to x power 2. Now consider y is equal to x power 2. Then equation 1 becomes ax power 2 plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now this equation is quadratic in terms of y, and we know that quadratic equations may be solved by factorization method, can be solved by completing square method, and can be solved by quadratic formula. Now consider example x power 4 minus 13x square plus 36 is equal to 0. We know that this is the standard form of biquadratic equation. Rewrite this equation in this form: x power 2 whole power 2 minus 13x power 2 plus 36 is equal to 0, and consider this is equation 1. Let y is equal to x square as a substitution. Then equation 1 implies y power 2 minus 13y plus 36 is equal to 0. Now we know that we can find two number minus 4 and minus 9 whose product is minus 36, and the sum of minus 4 and minus 9 is equal to minus 13. Therefore minus 13y can be written as the sum of minus 4y and minus 9y. Now this can be written as y into y minus 9 minus 4 into y minus 9 is equal to 0. Now taking y minus 9 is a common factor from this, so this equation becomes y minus 9 into y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now by zero factor property, either y minus 9 is equal to 0 or y minus 4 is equal to 0. So this implies y is equal to 9 and y is equal to 4. As we know that y is equal to x power 2, therefore this is equal to x square is equal to 9 and x square is equal to 4. Now by taking square root, we get that x is equal to plus over minus, and here x is equal to plus over minus 2. Therefore solution set is plus over minus 2 and plus over minus 3. As this solution set contain 4 elements, 4 terms, because the degree of biquadratic equation is equal to 4. Therefore, the solution set must be contain 4 elements. This is enough for today.